What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Ordinals, which has once again pumped up over 45% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just under $63 guys. So we're going to be looking at how high is it likely to go. As you guys can see, over the last week itself is pumped up over 200%, and over the month 740%, which is absolutely crazy. So can it potentially hit $70-80 over the coming weeks and head up to about $100 towards the end of 2023 or early 2024? Looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, what is the best option right now? Is it to buy it, is it to sell it, or is it simply to hold on to it? And also covering its short-term and long-term prediction as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the SMA indicator giving us the average value of Ordinals, which is here in purple at just about $28. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at over $63, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. Again, the fact that it's looking very steep means it's not realistic. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, so essentially in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I am expecting Ordinals to be trading around $65 in target, so at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, it doesn't mean it's going to be stuck at that price range and not pump up higher than that. Over the next couple of hours, I'm expecting it to pump up to about $67-68, essentially trading just below $70 before it slowly starts to drop back down towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, down to $65. So an overall minimal gain in value is what I'm expecting from Ordinals over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning once again this is not realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, let's say by mid next week, I am expecting Ordinals to be trading around just below $60 guys. Yes, probably not something you guys expected. However, I'm expecting it to slowly start to drop down in value, but again over the coming days it is likely to pump up over $70, $75, going through an increase in value before it slowly starts to drop back down below $60 towards the end of this week and early next week as well. So an overall minimal drop in value is what I'm expecting from Ordinals over the next week or so. But again, do expect pumps in between, just like how it's been performing over the last couple of days, with major increases in value. And yeah, the increase in value is absolutely insane. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So the next 6 to 8 weeks, we still got the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive, meaning once again this is not realistic due to the fact that it's looking so steep. So by mid to late January 2024, as I mentioned in yesterday's video, I am expecting it to drop back down below $20 guys, which is quite of a major drop from where it is at the moment. And as you guys can see, Bitcoin has hit $43,000 after God knows how long guys. But yes, this is the breaking point for the crypto market in a positive direction. So the crypto market is up to date and has been up for the last couple of days, but again, even though Ordinals has been following a similar pattern to Bitcoin but at a much bigger scale. Over the long run, I'm not expecting it to keep pumping and to keep going in a positive direction, as it's not sustainable. I am expecting it to drop down below $20 by mid to late January 2024. And in my last couple of updates on Ordinals, I did let you guys know, do expect it to pump up over $60 over the coming days and so on, which it has done. But over the long term, this is not a crypto I would invest into, because I'm expecting it to drop back down. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we have literally broken out from the green zone without any resistance, and every resistance target except this one here, it has broken out without resistance, meaning it is overvalued right now. It's just breaking out of, out of nowhere, and the next target is for the crypto to drop back down potentially into the red zone over the next 2 to 3 months time. So over the long term, it is likely to crash back down in value. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Ordinals, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the Coin Market Cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 20% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.2 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money and a huge percentage increase, as it's pumping, is gaining a lot more value. Even right now as I'm recording it, when I started the video, was worth about under $63. Right now it's pumped up to $64, so it's still ongoing, it's still pumping, and more people will start to trade the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. So before I go any further, just a little announcement, guys. My Telegram channel is now live. If you guys want to join, the link is in the description box down below. It is usually $29.99 a month, but I had to plug you guys with a discount code for 50% off. You can use code DEC10 to make it $14.99 a month, and it will stay at that price for as long as you remember. However, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members. So what happens once you sign up is you get put into 2 group chats. The first one is where I show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, but do bear in mind I'm not a short-term trader, so I don't buy and sell on a regular basis. But when I do buy, it is at a very good entry price, and when I sell, it is at a very good exit price as well. The second chat is a general chat where I'll show you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, and so on. Don't worry about the figures here, this is an old screenshot, and I also answer your questions. If you guys have questions around crypto analysis, predictions on any other cryptocurrencies, I will also provide that for you guys as well. But yeah, if you guys are interested, link is in the description box down below. And now back to Ordinals. But yeah, this is my take on this crypto. Comment down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the $100 mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, because personally I'm not expecting it to hit $100 anytime soon. As I mentioned, I'm expecting it to drop back down below $20 over the coming months. So potentially in about a year and a half time is when I'm expecting it to hit the $100 mark. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.